Imagine being dropped straight into the brutal ice age with absolutely no warm clothes, no sharp claws, and nothing but a tiny broken stick to defend your fragile life. Against all odds, our fragile ancestors did not just survive the harsh wild, because they unlocked three secret adaptation superpowers that completely transformed them into the planet's ultimate rulers. The first game-changing superpower was mastering wildfire, which instantly provided them with cozy nighttime warmth, terrifying predator defense, and the amazing ability to cook delicious hot dinners. Cooked food was much easier to digest, which suddenly flooded our ancestors' bodies with massive amounts of extra energy that specifically fueled the rapid growth of their giant brains. Instead of waiting millions of years to naturally evolve sharp claws, their massive new brains allowed them to brilliantly invent deadly stone tools and highly effective hunting weapons. By cleverly inventing the tiny bone needle, early humans engineered customized thermal clothing, which allowed them to successfully migrate into the coldest, most freezing environments on Earth. The final ultimate superpower was complex language, which allowed early humans to smoothly share vital survival information, tell entertaining stories, and meticulously plan highly dangerous group hunting trips. While a single isolated human was easily just a snack, a well-coordinated group using advanced communication quickly became the most terrifying, unstoppable apex predator on the entire planet.
Instead of forcing their physical bodies to adapt to nature, early humans brilliantly adapted their clever behavior, allowing them to thrive inside deserts, jungles, and frozen tundras.
In a brilliant move of ultimate survival strategy, humans befriended wild wolves, turning dangerous ancient rivals into loyal, furry hunting partners that protected their camps every night. As these incredible survival skills steadily accumulated over thousands of generations, humans finally stopped constantly running from danger and instead began building permanent, organized farming civilizations. Every single piece of incredible modern technology we enjoy today is the direct result of those brave, ancient innovations crafted by our remarkably stubborn, adaptable ancestors long ago. Our ancestors survived the brutal ice age, yet we still get completely defeated by a tangled phone charger, so please subscribe right now to honor their legendary adaptability.